Your credit score is dropping in 2026, even though if you pay every single bill on time. And no, it's not a mistake. Millions of Americans are seeing their credit scores fall right now, and most of them are confused, frustrated, and honestly a little bit angry, because they're doing exactly what they were told to do. If this is happening to you, stick around until the end, because just one of these reasons can drop your score by 30 to 50 points. Let's start with the biggest reason: credit utilization. This is the percentage of your available credit that you're actually using. Even if you are paying on time, if you're using more than 30% of your credit limit, your score takes a hit. In 2026, inflation has pushed everyday expenses higher, like groceries, gas, insurance, even the basic subscriptions. More people are relying on credit cards just to get through the month. So, let's say your credit limit is $5,000. If your balance goes above $1,500, lenders start to see you as a risk. Here's the part most people don't know. Credit bureaus often record your balance before you make your payment. So you might pay your card in full every month, but if that reported balance is high when they check it, your score still drops. Now, let's talk about late payments. In 2026, lenders are less forgiving than ever. Being even one day late can trigger fees and flag your account. Auto-pay failures, forgotten subscriptions, and buy now, pay later charges are causing silent late payments all over the country. And remember, a missed payment can stay on your credit report for 7 years. Next mistake: closing old credit cards. A lot of people think closing the unused cards is the best move, but in reality, it often backfires. Why? Because the length of your credit history matters. When you close an old account, your average credit age gets shorter and your utilization ratio shoots up at the same time. That's a double hit to your score. If a card has no annual fee, it's usually better to keep it open and just stop using it. Now let's talk about something new that's hurting credit scores in 2026. Buy now, pay later. For years, BNPL felt invisible to credit bureaus, but not anymore. Many buy now, pay later companies now report directly to credit bureaus. Miss a payment? It hits your score. Use too many BNPL plans? Lenders view you as overextended. It feels harmless, but it's quietly damaging a lot of credit profiles. Another reason your score might be dropping is hard inquiries. Every time you apply for a credit card, loan, or financing, a hard inquiry is added to your report. 1 or 2 is fine. But in 2026, people are aggressively applying for credit-chasing rewards, balance transfers, and lower rates. Too many hard inquiries in a short time make lenders think you're desperate for cash and your score drops. So, how do you stop this from happening? First, keep your credit utilization under 30%, under 10% if possible. Second, don't rely solely on autopay. Set reminders so you can double-check that payments actually went through. Third, don't close old cards unless there's a really good reason. If you're worried about spending, just lock the card instead. Fourth, be careful with buy now, pay later. Use it sparingly or not at all. And finally, avoid unnecessary credit applications. Small changes like these can protect your credit score and save you thousands of dollars in interest over time. If your credit score dropped recently, it doesn't mean you're bad with money. It means the system changed, and most people weren't warned. Subscribe if you want to stay ahead of credit traps in 2026. And comment below, did your credit score took a hit this year?